Good evening, traders. Good evening, my subscribers. Today is Sunday, 18th of October 2020. Time now is 6:19 p.m. I want to give you my analysis, my forecast for the week, or maybe for the first 3 days of the week. Okay, my analysis is based on Elliott wave, advanced Elliott wave theory. So we are starting with gold. If you want to get more details on gold, like daily chart, weekly chart, 1 hour monthly chart, you watch my earlier videos. But I always like to focus on the area where we will be having our trade for the time. So as I have always maintained that this correction will unfold on WXYXZ. Up till now, nothing has changed. I will only change my view if the price breaks this top and eventually breaks this. But as long as here this very line 1976.8 is still not broken, we likely have to see Z leg going down towards 1820, 1800. So my main bias is to sell. My main bias on gold is to sell. So I am looking for sell entry. This is 4 hours chart. So you can see if price breaks here, I will sell. But it's better to wait for the price to break here. Then if price breaks here, I may consider buy with a little lot size and watch what happens here. So let's go to 1 hour to see things in clearer mode. Okay, in 1 hour we have something interesting. In 1 hour, you can see I label this chart the way I view it. For instance, if the correction has ended here, this place should be an impulse. But if you are familiar with Elliott wave analysis, you will know that this is not an ideal impulse move. This movement is corrective, so it's not an ideal impulse move. But everything is possible in forex business. So now, if the price keeps going on and break here, I'll change my account. I will place my 4 here. It means that gold bearish is over. That is, the correction is over. Then I will place here at wave 4. Then here will be wave 1, and here will be wave 2. But as long as this this structure is doing something like this, this is an impulse, and this is correction, and we're going to have another impulse. So I can tell you that this drop is 1, 2, we're going to have 3, 4, and so on. And secondly, this very move, that is why I put 1 here, is that if this very move, if 4 have ended here, it means that this is 1 and 2 will be here. So for now, I'm looking for sell. I may enter a sell if a sharp candle breaks this very line. Maybe a candle like this, or a candle like this, or a candle like this breaks this line. That is, if there is a break here and a bounce, I will just sell without looking back. And here will be my stop loss. That's my aim validation, but the main aim validation is here. So, but if price breaks here, it will actually come up to this place. Maybe you test this or break it. That's for gold. Then we go to, okay, this is still gold. We go to Euro USD. Euro USD, this is a weekly chart. We don't have much to do on weekly chart, but all we have here is that this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wave impulse, and the correction have either ended or is still going on. But this is W. X is a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. I forgot to label it, but no problem. We are not trading on weekly charts because it takes decades to develop. So, but this structure is either that the correction is over here, or we might still have another drop. If this top is not broken, we will likely have another drop. But for now, this is weekly. Let's go to another time frame. Okay, this is weekly again in a lower in a lighter. I mean, in zoom in a level. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is impulse, and this very move is a correction. You see, I label it 1, 2, A, B. Then what happens here? I don't know. This is weekly, but this move is impulsive. So what does that mean? If you are selling Euro USD, you will be careful because higher time frame is pointing to the up. This is impulse, this is correction, and this is impulse. It's likely we will have something like this again. So if it does happen, maybe by the first quarter of next year, Euro USD will be around 1.35 if it breaks here. But let's go to lower time frame to see what we have there. On daily chart, we can see that even if the price will go up, it has to make correction, because after every impulse we have correction. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is a clear 5 waves impulse. So, and after each 5 waves, we always have 3 waves pullback, either ABC or WXY. We have gotten W. This X might have finished, or it can still develop. You know, wave X and wave B is always complex, and wave 2, sometimes they confuse you. You might think that this wave X is over. It can still form a triangle. It can come down here, go up, come down, go up, before it eventually comes down. But let's keep watching. Let's go to daily. On daily, okay, 4 hours. I mean, sorry, 4 hours. So on 4 hours, you can see that wave X seems to have finished. So with this type of movement, we expect wave Y to terminate here or even break it. So if you don't have open position, I advise you to sell from this level down here. So you can see a lower WXY, making a big W. This is X. We are expecting Y. So from our own forecast, like I said, that Euro USD is coming down to 1.15 or even below. So let's keep watching. On 1 hour, there's nothing much. 1 hour and 4 hours is always the same thing. So either if you have a sharp drop, if you get this type of candle that breaks here and bounce, you sell. If this little line, this line breaks and bounce, I will sell, because I know it will come back and break this. Or to be on a safe side, you press a sell stop below this line, because once it breaks it will drop. So that's for Euro USD. The next pair we have GBP USD. You can see GBP USD. This is daily chart, and as long as this move did not break this high, I can tell you that GBUSD is coming down. This can be wave one of a bigger time frame, and if this is wave one, it means that by next year the price might go lower than this. And let me tell you, if Trump wins election, US dollar will continue to be strong. So it means we will be selling GBUSD all the way down here, below here. So, but as of now, what I'm expecting is a drop towards this line. That's 1.22. But you know, this is daily chart. So let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, you can see I label it. You can see this is a channel, and it has broken. So I place a sell stop below this line. I expect to have another sharp candle to drop, then correct and keep going down. So JPY, my only forecast is there is that it is going down towards 1.12 area or even below. But any surprise, we may have surprises. We can, if here is taken out, then we consider buying towards this line. Okay, that's for 4 hours. On 1 hour, there is nothing much on 1 hour. 1, 2, another 1, 2. So I'm expecting 3, 4. I'm expecting a break of this place and continue going down. Okay, GBP. Okay, this is a live market. Sorry. Okay, what next do we have? Euro JPY. This is one of the pairs I like to trade. Euro JPY, GBP I like those pairs, and there's nothing much on this comparing what we did last week. If you want to get more details, maybe on daily, weekly, watch other videos I have made last week, last 2 weeks, and so on. As you can see, Euro JPY is going down. I'm expecting nothing but down move. If we have a surprise, not now, maybe we might have a price might come down here before it goes up. Let's go to 1 hour because there's not much to explain here. I've explained everything last week on last video I made. And 1 hour, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and the only thing we may have here is that we may have some delay. Maybe it will bounce here and come back before it keeps going down. And if it bounces here and come back, better for us, because instead of waiting for here to enter, we now wait for break of this place to enter. So all I can see here is sell. I haven't seen any buy. Unless price breaks here, I will consider buying and watch what happens here. Okay, 1 hour. On 1 hour. Okay, that's 0 JPY. So this is GBJPY. Wait. Okay. What that explain? Okay, I've explained it. GBJPY and JPY are moving the same direction. Though not always, but most of the time they move the same direction. As you can see now, what we have here is that this is impulse and this is running flat. So if you have open position, no need to close it unless you buy. But if you so, just move your stop loss to this level or this level. Then if you have closed all your positions, you may consider watching this place for buy, or either you place a sell stop or you wait for the break, then flag or the test, then you sell. This is all I can do on Euro JPY. Sorry, JPY, pounds yen on 1 hour. Nothing much nothing differs from 4 hours and 1 hour. So you can see we are looking for to enter a sell setup. So we will likely have 133. The price might drop as low as 133. That's my main focus on this very pair. So what again? I think I have finished the pairs I wanted to analyze. Do I need to go to Euro NZD, Euro GBP? Okay, let me use the little time I have to look into Euro NZD to know what we have there. Euro NZD, this is 4 hours, and as you can see, this is impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is correction A, B, C. So last week I pointed out, this is a nice market. If you miss others, don't miss this one. Last week I pointed out that if you have a bounce, if you have a bounce, that this C might still linger, but I can tell you that this C is over. So we will still have a sell. So when market opens, I will just open an order, a sell order. I want to wait for any confirmation or any drop or any break. So this is what I'm gonna do. I will place a sell towards this line. So Euro NZD is a sell market. This is a break and this is a retest. Remember, this is my own forecast. This is the only thing I can see. 1 hour. I don't need to go to 1 hour. Let me go there. 1 hour and 4 hours is always impulse, correction, impulse, retracement. Then, okay, you can place a sell stop anyway. You can place a sell stop. You can place a sell stop here. So we have a sell on Euro NZD. Okay, this is just it's not on my plan, but it's like a bonus. Okay, let me go to GBP and GOLD. Okay, GBP and GOLD. Let me go to 4 hours. Okay, GBP and GOLD. We need to be careful on this pair. Though this is an impulse, this is a correction, but this correction might still surprise us. We might have, this is A, B, C, A, B, A, B, C. This C might not be over. We might have another price go up. So what I'm trying to say, this B might be here. So this might be might develop in ABC format. This is what I'm trying to say. B can develop into whatever it like. B and X, always complex. So this pair can be, this is A, B can be A, B, C. Then the C might still developing. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So don't rush to sell GBP and NZD. Don't rush to sell, because you might have a surprise on that pair. Okay. So this B I place here might be here. So either here is the B or here is the C. So if here is the B, now to confirm that this B is over, this line have to be broken. That is, before I sell, I have to be sure that this line is, if this line is broken, it means that B has ended, that C was here. But as of now, I'll keep watching what happens here. That's for 4 hours and 1 hour. And 1 hour. Okay? And 1 hour. This is an impulse movement. This is equally impulse. But if it doesn't take this out, it is a correction. So we keep watching. We keep watching. If we get if price drops below here, if you get a sharp drop, you might consider selling, maybe with a little loss size, and watch what happens here. Watch what happens here. If you get a break here, then we buy with confidence. Sorry, we sell with confidence. But as of now, be careful on this pair. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, share our video, invite your friends, join our Telegram channel. We offer many services. Those who want to learn, contact us. We teach you and teach you very, very well. Trade with care. Remember to use money management. Don't trade without stop loss. Don't ever trade without stop loss. Money management is important. Risk the much you can bear. Anything can happen in the market. Nobody will give you assurance that something will not happen. Anything can happen in the market. So that's why you always risk the amount that you can bear. I say it always, better make little profit every day and accumulate to be rich than try to be rich in one day and lose. So forex market is all about making profit and losing. For instance, okay, let me give you an example. You wanted to trade this sell and your stop loss is here, the profit is here. It means that if you risk $100, you're gonna gain $200 or $300. So you see that if you lose 100. If you get 300 or 400 or 500 or 200. So the risk reward ratio must be reasonable. If your stop loss and your take profit does not have a significant difference, you forget about that trade. So that's all for tonight. God bless you. Bye.